Like I said yesterday, adding something new. What we're going today, or starting today, is called function notation. We've used standard intercept forms, so most of the time when we write intercept form, function notation functions. We've been doing y equals whatever. What it's doing instead is replacing it with an f of x. Okay, so that's kind of how it's working. It's just a way you can represent functions. We've seen some like that already in problems, and is have to work out some problems that look this and a couple different ways too. So right here, function, and then it's what it's asking me for is what f of 8 is. So this 8 here basically is taking the place of the x right there, right? So what that means we have to do give that one a try. Nine's correct. So in this case, we got a 6 going in for the x. So we got 27 minus 3 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18. 27 minus 18 gives us 9. Any questions? All right, let's make it a little tougher then. It'll get tougher than that. Twenty's correct. We got 3/4 going in for the x, so we got negative 48 times 3/4 plus 56. When you multiply a whole number by a fraction, you can divide by the denominator and multiply by the numerator. So 48 divided by 4 is 12, times 3 makes 36. Since it's a negative times a positive, we got negative 36 plus the 56. Signs are different. We subtract, use the sign of the bigger number, so we got positive 20. Not horrible, right? All right, so let's look at it a little differently then. All right, so this time, you see how this is written a little differently down here, right? Instead of f of 13, it's f of x equals 13. So what's happening, if it's telling us that f of x equals 13, the 13 is equal to this. So our 13 is going to have to go up there and replace that. So that means my 13 is going here. Then I got 6x minus 17. And what I have to do from here, equation. So I add 17. That gives me 30 equals 6x. When I divide by 6, I got x equals 5. If it's x equals f of x, you can solve an equation. Put that number in for x. Everybody following? All right, give this one a try. Robert? Sari? Positive 12. All right, so we got negative 30 equals 18 minus 4x. So, big thing here, just careful with the signs. We move the 18, it was a positive 18, so we subtract 18. Signs are the same, so we add, so that's a negative 48. But we got a minus 4x, so that's like we got a negative 4 there. When we divide, negative divided by negative makes that a positive. So that's where the positive 12 is. Okay? If y'all were getting negative 12, my guess would be when we have that minus there, at some point you probably lost it, or you just messed up with your division. Any questions on that one? All right, try another one. Now, occasionally you get problems that are like this simple with this. Sometimes they got a little bit more to them, and we'll get into more like that as well. But so whoops, we got 77 equals 13x plus 12. Subtract 12. So we got 65 equals 13x. We divide by 13. We got x equals 5. Okay. You know, right now it's tough. So we get some more, but we got some exponents. It's still